there's a one, I see the pipe on this side, so it's going through one more board.
Well, today I'm here in my garage waiting for my Model 3. I'm not actually going to stay here and wait for the car, but like a lot of people, I ordered my Tesla on March 31st of 2016, the first day that I could. And here we are over 2 years later. I can't believe I'm saying that, and I still don't have my automobile. But I am getting it soon. 6 weeks ago, I received the magical email that said you can configure your Tesla, and so I did, and I have an appointment to pick it up this week, so I'm very excited about that. Yay. The color that I chose was white. I love a white car, and of course it's the long-range battery. I didn't really know if I wanted to have the car or not, but I was excited about the opportunity to have a new vehicle and a cutting-edge one, and in this case an electric vehicle. So in the meantime, what have I done? A little preparation. I did some banking. I also ordered this front license plate bracket that allows you to remove the front plate, and then I won't have to use the one that comes with Tesla, which adheres to the front bumper. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. I'm not sure if I want to do this, but we're going to investigate that. I also read the owner's manual to the car, and I like the accuracy of that and the factual things that are in that, because that's what Tesla wants you to know about their car. And although I've watched dozens of YouTube videos, it doesn't give you all the facts. One other thing that I did was I'm sitting here with my new outlet in the garage, and this is a NEMA 1450. And I'm not an electrician, I don't know a lot about electricity, but I did look and see what the heck is NEMA, and that's an acronym for National Electrical Manufacturers Association. In this case, it's a 50 amp plug that will allow me to charge my car successfully at home and quickly enough. Model 3 does not come with free supercharging, and I know that, but I'm looking forward to trying this. It was quite an adventure. This is number 6 wire that is used in the installation of this, very thick and very heavy. And as a matter of fact, if you stay tuned in this video, I have scenes of the electricians installing the wire and conduit, about 50 feet of it. It's 3/4 inch conduit here in the house, and that's thicker than your standard 1/2 inch that you'll find in most homes. The panel was completely on the other side of the house from the garage, but they did a nice job, and if you're curious, please stay tuned for some scenes of the electricians doing that. I guess that's about it. Oh, one other thing, my wife and I were going to be driving across country and back again, and so I know I will have some definite opinions about how excited or wise I was to invest or buy this car. So I hope you look for that video when that happens, and stay tuned for the electricians, and thank you for watching. What was the hardest part?
To get it up there, because there was so many crossboards and those braces for the ducts. See here behind the duct, it's almost no space. Let's see. And there was one more, and electrical pipes also. But we got it here. So here the tough part here was just to make a whole piece of pipe with a 90 and a kick with it, but because of the crossboard I mean, the cross brace was very close here. There was no room to put it, so that's why I just cut the pipe right here and make the connection. And from here, it was very easy because it's just straight path up to here. And then the last thing coming out is this piece of pipe with a 2 kicks on it, just to make, because it's coming from the side and the hole is a little bit more in the center there, with the 2 kicks. And then I just need to measure the length outside and here, just to put one more piece, and that's it.
Okay.
And then we'll continue with the wiring.
Okay, looks good.
Yep.
Hot, ground, neutral. Corresponding to hot, ground, neutral.